Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RRTS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday. Definitely want to get things updated here, as it was another very nice movement for the price. And one of the newest areas of support that's been established, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, is this pink line right here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you ideally want to see the price stay above it. Now, in this situation, it's not, one of those circumstances where if the price falls below it, then the entire chart's ruined. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the absolute, most powerful going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above the pink line there. But if it doesn't, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above that 200 period would be great. However, grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as resistance levels are concerned, I'm going to go ahead and call 132 kind of that near-term level of resistance where the seller seems to have kind of gathered up a little bit. If the price can push through that area, the next key level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was up there at $1.47. So keep an eye on these couple levels here. All in all, though, great-looking chart. And as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.